Hi dears, welcome back to our channel Teaching Toolbox. How are you all? I hope you all are good. I'm also good here, Alhamdulillah. So today's our video is all about Canva. Canva and teaching. How we can incorporate Canva in our daily teaching method. Before going into the video, don't forget to subscribe my channel for this kind of future videos. പിന്നെ ഇന്നത്തെ ഈ ഒരു ക്യാൻവ ആൻഡ് ടീച്ചിങ് എന്നുള്ള ഒരു ടോപ്പിക്കിൽ നമ്മൾ ഒരു 8 പോയിന്റ്സ് ആണ് ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യാൻ പോകുന്നത്. Can I tell you the 8 points? The first one is presentation. So create visually appealing lesson slides instead of plain PowerPoints using Canva. Canva offers free templates for science, math, English, etc. So അങ്ങനെ സ്പെഷ്യലൈസ് ചെയ്തിട്ട് അവർ തരുന്നുണ്ട്. Second one is worksheet and posters. Design customized worksheet, activity sheets, or motivational classroom posters easily. Then the third one is infographics. Simply complex concepts like life cycles of grammar rules using infographics for visual learning. The fourth one is classroom branding. Make name tags, bulletin boards, labels, timetables, charts, and welcome boards using Canva very easily. It is very important to make these kind of things in our class to get more attractive, more engaging, and everything is going behind this because teaching environment is the first thing that we have to make up. Then when it is going to the fifth one, student projects. Encourage students to use Canva for digital storytelling, science projects, and group presentations. Certificates and awards. If you want to give some certificate to students, of course, you can use Canva for the models. Okay, so quickly design certificates for achievements, attendance, or special occasions using Canva. Then the seventh one is videos and animations. So create short educational videos or announcements with voiceovers and animations using Canva. Then, when it is going to the eighth one, social media for teachers. So, if you share educational tips or updates on YouTube or Instagram, Canva helps creating thumbnails and posters easily. So, in overall, we can say Canva is all in all in teaching. Yes. So, let me tell you one thing. When we are going to the Canva, we can see most of the things are premium. We have to subscribe to that. But as a teacher, if you're giving your official email ID, you can access most of the things freely. Okay, so let's see how we can use Canva in detail. Yes, first of all, we have to go https www.canva.com education. So just open the link. Now we are in this Canva. We have to sign in. So you can see there is an option continue with your work email. Using your work email makes it easier to design together with your team. Okay, just click here, then it's going with. So when we are using our own mail ID from the school, we will get a code in our email ID. Okay, so we have to enter the code here. So when we are directly directing to the site, can you see this is I made using Canva previously. This is meet the teacher templates I used for myself, customized for myself. Can you see? So it is really helpful. There was a photo before, so I just copy pasted my photo over there and I edited everything like this. So when it is going to the star of the week that I have to print out, so I just edited the star student of the week, so like this. So after that, click on share, then there is a download button, click over there, that's it. So we can download and use it easily. When it is going to the design, you can see many of this. See, this is all certificate patterns and designs that we can use. Then when it is going to design itself, we can write here PPTs. See, we can get different kinds of PPT model over here. So let me check. PPT for science. I just went to this elements. Certificate we have already seen. Then it is flare posters. See, different kinds of posters for the club. If I'm going with a fun day, I can use this. Okay, so I can edit it easily. Then when it is going to education, you can see different kind of templates. See, different educational templates, different fishes, marine organisms, then vegetables, then the feelings of a child, like excited, angry, anxious, sad, happy, proud. So this kind of posters is necessary for small kids, right? Especially the teachers in small classes are struggling to make this, but it is very easy to download from here and edit it. And when it is coming to English, you can see the sound, like letters a, or we can say sound a, the avocado. So this kind of things are given here, and even circle, triangle, everything is given over here. You can make even sheets, documents, whiteboard is available, presentation, this is necessary, right? When it is going to the presentation, we can see there is an option for making presentations. See, here is the second page, the third one, like that we can make presentation over here. So we need to paste the content. See, we can easily paste everything. Can you see? If I want to paste this, it is very easy. After that, we can, if you want to type something, text box, see, that's it. Then we can choose different kinds of fonts if you want. See here, we can type like this, topic. This is really easy, and we can make more creative because a lot of icons, templates, tables, see, arrows. If you want videos, everything is available over here. You can use it for making a beautiful PPT. See video, here it is, different kinds of video available, and we can edit the video for our own use. Okay, we can customize size, upload your social media over here for editing, and there is photo editor, social media editor. See, weekly meeting, everything we can make using this. So it is definitely helpful for teachers, that according to your use you can edit it wisely and make it beautifully. Make your own templates in Canva and share it in LinkedIn and tag me in. I'm waiting to see your creativity. Thank you so much. See you in another video. Bye bye, dears. Don't forget to follow the WhatsApp channel for more teaching vacancy updates.